Hey there, big news in AI today with the launch of Ideogram 2.0, and it's ready to take on heavyweights like Midjourney and Flux AI. The quality is insane. So what makes Ideogram 2.0 a game changer? First off, it's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward in image realism. If you crave lifelike images or sleek 3D renders, this is your new best friend. Plus, there are 5 new presets, including realism, animate and 3D, that make creating the perfect image a breeze. But here's the kicker, Ideogram 2.0 nails text rendering, a notorious weak point for most AI models. Finally, you can get text that's clear and spot on. And with their new iOS app and an Android version on the way, creating on the go has never been easier. Plus, their competitive pricing makes it accessible, whether you're just curious or a power user. Ideogram 2.0 isn't just competing, it's aiming to lead. Check it out and see if it becomes your go-to creative tool. However, there is no doubt that Ideogram 2.0 is an impressive tool. It is, however, glaringly obvious that an unstrained AI image generator could be used for malicious means. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech updates.